Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Notion pages. Connecting your pages is essential for building a robust and organized workspace. We'll cover two primary methods: creating internal links to other Notion pages and embedding external web content. Understanding these techniques will significantly enhance your productivity and navigation within Notion, making your workspace much more interconnected and efficient for daily use. To create an internal link, simply type the @ symbol anywhere in your Notion page. Immediately after, start typing the name of an existing page you wish to link. Notion will suggest relevant pages as you type. You can also create a brand new page and link it at the same time, streamlining your workflow. This powerful feature helps you build a deeply interconnected network of information. For external content, simply paste a URL into your Notion page. Notion will then present you with a few options. You can dismiss it, create a web bookmark, or embed the content directly. Embedding allows you to display videos, PDF, or even entire websites within your Notion page, providing rich context without leaving your workspace. This is incredibly useful for consolidating all your resources in one place. To maximize the benefits of linking, always organize your workspace by connecting related information. Use clear and descriptive page titles. This makes finding and linking pages much easier later on. It's also a good practice to regularly review and update your links to ensure they remain accurate and relevant. Following these simple tips will help you maintain a highly functional and well-structured Notion environment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.